Welcome to the first monthly update of Blok M Plaza's Scenic lift replacement. Today's update is confirming that this lift will indeed be replaced by Otis, as seen on the crates found on car park level UG. And one particular crate contains a car platform, meaning that the cab will entirely be replaced with a new one. There are other crates too, but the parts are named in Mandarin instead of English for some reason. As for the old cab, it is still located on level 7, awaiting removal. Let's hope that there will be some major progress by next month. That's it for this month's update. See you next month, and as always, never trust a generic.